Hello and welcome to the final video of these shortened demos. This will cover our reporting feature of the Alliance Core system. So once you're signed into your Alliance Core account, clicking on the reporting feature here and click on reports as well. So we already have quite a few pages, 3 pages to be exact, have already built out reports that you can pull based on any given information inside the system itself. So for compliance and licensing purposes, for payroll purposes, for tax purposes, you name it, you can search by title, you can run a category report, all kinds of information to hit submit and kind of narrow down this list of any report that you might be needing. So already 3 pages of already built out reports for your use, whatever you would need. Feel free to scroll through and search based on any kind of report that you would use. Scheduled reporting is a very cool feature. So depending on any report already built out in the system, you can essentially send a report to you at a given amount of time. In addition to the dashboard already flagging you when things are coming due or expired, you can have any kind of report also sent directly to your email in any format that you choose. So we'll do that here today. Let's click on add. We will choose the immunization due and overdue report here. You can choose what kind of format you want that to come to you in. If you're an Excel guy, if you like Word, right now we're going to stick with PDF. I particularly like PDFs formats. Give it a description. We'll do the immunizations due / overdue. The run interval, again, is your preference. We're going to do the monthly, first day of the month, and we're going to do this at 8 a.m. When you click on save, that immunizations due / overdue report will come directly to your email the first day of the month in PDF format at 8 a.m. So whenever you open that PDF up, if there are 1 or 2 families listed on that report, that tells you exactly who you need to get information on. So that report pulls immunizations that are past due within 30 days or coming due as well. So kind of gives you a high level overview other than the dashboard that's already flagging you and notifying you when things are coming due. You can have that sent to you the first day of the month. If it's completely blank, out of sight, out of mind, you don't need to get any information from anybody for that month. If there is 1 or 2 people, as I mentioned, tells you exactly who you need to get information from, whether that be the kiosk message, an email, or a text feature as well. So you can send any report straight to your email, anybody else's email in any format that they would choose based on scheduled reporting for any report that is already built out in the system. The other reporting feature that is pretty cool, a lot of people don't use it, but it's nice to know it's there in case you do need to use it, is our dynamic reporting feature. Whenever you click on this, pull up dynamic, this is kind of the Build-A-Bear reporting of our system. So if there is not a report already made that you do need, you can make it yourself, essentially. So once you click on that dynamic reporting feature, pull up that listing page, click on add. Let's say that we need to make one based on child attendance for any specifics that we're going to be needing here. All of these columns will drop down on the left-hand side. We'll click into child columns, and you simply click on the left and pull to the middle any piece of that child's file that you're going to need. If you need the birthday, if you need the age, if you need the start date, anything you would need based on child attendance, and pull into the middle what exactly you would need for that piece of information. So again, you may not ever need to use that, but it's nice to know it's there just kind of as the Build-A-Bear of reporting. If it's not already there in the 3 pages of reports that we do have, you can create it yourself. So quite a bit of information available for the reporting feature for any kind of licensing or compliance purposes you would need, filing taxes, you name it, tons of information, and you can use a search filter to narrow down those categories as well. And then again, that scheduled reporting sends that report directly to you based on a given time period of your needs. Thanks, everybody. If you ever need questions or have reporting issues or concerns, just feel free to reach out to our client support team. Phone number again is 844-293-2820, and the email is eldclientsupport@earlylearningventures.org. Thanks so much.